Welcome to the Alchemistic Laboratory. This is a video I wanted to do since some time. I know it has been a while and I wanted to talk to you about the direction of this channel. First of all, I'm sorry for disappearing out of nowhere. It has been a while and the past months have been quite busy with work. And for me, a very important thing was to not lower the quality of the YouTube channel, because I didn't want to just bring you tutorials that are empty or objects that in my opinion were not as interesting to do or to follow, or perhaps basic models. For me, it was very important to keep the best quality that I can and bring you the best kind of videos. During this time, I was also not really disconnected from the channel. I was actually thinking how to improve the videos, how to perhaps change a bit the visual identity, the design. These changes are going to take some time to apply, but I can say at least that I am back and I want to bring you the best quality videos I can. And I hope that you enjoy the next tutorial. I think it's going to be something interesting. And as always, ex luto ad auram. Until next time, thank you.